Hey foodies! Welcome back to Dollicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, we're diving into a tantalizing dish that's sure to satisfy your cravings. It's called the steamed tofu with soy garlic sauce. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Here is a complete list of ingredients for this recipe as flashed on your screen. This is super easy to make kaya simulan na po natin. Let's mince the garlic and peel the ginger na gagamitin natin for the sauce. Let's prepare our tofu. Make sure your tofu is firm enough para di siya maduro pag in-slice natin. Drain the tofu and pat it dry with paper towels. I bought this one at the supermarket. Available siya sa Walter Mart or Puregold or sa iba pang supermarket. Cut it into cubes or slices as prepared. Alam nyo ang sarap ng tofu na ito. Wala akong nalasahan na kahit konting lansa at wala siyang bad smell. After all are sliced, then let's arrange it on the plate. Promise, ang sarap ng tofu na to. It's a Korean brand, I think, so kahit simpleng steam lang siya, ang sarap na niyang ulamin. Next thing to do is to cut the onion leeks. Kahit anong cut dito is okay lang. Pero ako kasi, to make it more presentable, I curl the leeks. How to do it? Syempre tuturuan ko kayo. Ganito lang yan. Just get a cup of ice cold water, then nipisan nyo lang ang paghiwa sa leeks. Then put them all here. Then wait for a couple of minutes before you use it for toppings. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, honey, or sugar, minced garlic, grated ginger, and black pepper. Mix well until the honey or sugar is fully dissolved. Alam nyo, sa sauce na ito, di pwedeng wala ang sesame oil because aside of being tasty, it gives a distinct aromatic fragrance or flavor. Kung wala kayong honey, pwede naman ang sugar, but I prefer honey for this recipe kasi simple lang, mas malasa siya. Kahit anong brand naman is pwede. While I'm making my soy garlic sauce, I'm in the process of boiling the water in my steamer. Now, let's do the steaming part. I put the small bowl of soy garlic sauce, then I put the plate with tofu pieces on top of the sauce. Steam the tofu with the sauce for about 10 minutes until heated through. Remove the heat and set aside. Combine tofu and sauce. Arrange the steamed tofu on the serving plate one by one. Sa part nito, I'm super excited na matikman at malapang na yan for our lunch. Kasi yung amoy ng sesame oil talaga namang nanunuot sa nose ko na para bang nang i-invite na siya na kainin ko na siya. The combination of the soy sauce, ginger, honey, and so on is super pleasing to my sense of smell. Pour the hot soy garlic sauce over the tofu, ensuring that all pieces are well coated. O diba? Who would have thought that this simple recipe would make me so excited to share it with you guys? It's definitely worth sharing, not only because it's simple, but also because it's tasty and super budget friendly as well. You may serve this steamed tofu with soy garlic sauce as a main dish or as a side dish. Enjoy it with steamed rice or noodles. For added aromatic flavor, I added toasted garlic on top. And remember, kanina yung nauna na nating procedure, yung hinihiwa-hiwa ko yung onion leeks. Eto na yon, dito na yon sa part na to natin siya gagamitin as toppings. Now, it's time to sprinkle the curled onion leeks and sesame seeds over the tofu for garnish. This recipe combines the soft texture of steamed tofu with the flavorful soy garlic sauce, making for a delicious and healthy dish. The preparation is so minimal that it would only take you approximately 20 minutes and you're done. Simple and without breaking the bank. This is also a great recipe for people who are on a diet. Before I take the first bite, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Dollicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love.